up, fam? Welcome back to another episode of JK Outdoors. We're hitting the fishing river, lake again. We're getting out on the water. Gonna go catch a trout. Stay tuned. We're gonna get in the action. Going to Old Trusty. Don't fail me now. Yeah. Hopefully it'll be good. We've been on a dry spell. Little backstory. We've been on a dry spell for the last 4 or now 5 fishing trips, so feeling pretty low. Just want to hook into one. We got 2 trusty spots that are close to each other, so we'll go up, and if not, we'll go down. So stay tuned, you'll see what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Alright, we just got to spot number 1. Let's get out, check her out. So definitely a lot of branches and whatnot on the shoreline. Super bad over there. But we're gonna cast the lure, see if we can catch one. There's some weather been rolling through, so it's probably gonna be pretty good. Alrighty, before I forget, this video should be coming out June 20, what would it be, 28th, 29th? And that'll be one of the last days to enter the giveaway for the fishing shirt. Didn't bring it today, obviously, but yeah, go to the video before this one, Fly Fishing Idaho, and comment your favorite video, and you can be entered to win my JK Outdoors fishing shirt. So check that out, get entered, and yeah, tell me what your favorite video is. But we'll grab the spinning rod, grab my bag, head down there, and see if we can catch a little cutthroat or some brown trout. Let's get it. Looks like a pretty good clear little area. Set up right here. See if we can catch a fishy. Alright. When I'm setting up my spinning rod, especially if I'm gonna do a lot of lure fishing, I like to set it up with a little snap swivel on there. I don't think a lot of people do that normally. I think they think it kind of detracts from the fishing, but I've never had an issue. I've done it for many years and caught many trout, so I'd be interested to see if people are like no swivels or pro swivel. Are you con swivel or pro swivel? Leave it in the comments below. Got that bad boy on there. Should we start out with Old Trusty? It's either gonna lift my hopes or destroy my hopes by catching a fish. A little chilly out today. It's been like 80, and today it's 45, something like that here. The wind chill, water chill, a little chillier than that. So let's see, the old Thomas Buoyant. Catch fish everywhere with that. Seen that video? Right here, this spot. So let's go. Well, this guy just totally ruined my fishing spot. What the heck? It's a little opening right in all these weeds. Cast her down there, see if we can get one. So I've only been fishing for about 5 minutes, but my spot's totally busted now. See, it's all, can't cast more than 10 feet without getting stuck on a stick. So I don't know if I wait for it to blow through or if I hike down the shore a little bit. So I might hike down and test my luck over there. So I'll catch you back in a second. A little PSA to everyone: if you bring out worms, pick up your trash, take it back with you. No one wants this floating around in the lake. Just, it's like, keep fishing and have a place for someone else to go fish, not pick up your trash. I'm gonna try to remember to pick that up on my way back. Just try to keep it clean, guys. Come on, let's get back to fishing. Looks like a good spot right here. Had a lot of big logs. Just get down here, test out the old lure again. Give her another 10 casts or so, see if we can snag something. So of course the battery died while I was out fishing, but with all this garbage, well, not garbage, but sticks in the water, it's really hard to fish at this spot. And so, because even like I could get past the group of sticks, but then like there'll be one stick and my line will sit on top of that, and then instead of my lure going down, it gets pulled up over that stick, drops down, then gets pulled over the next stick, yada yada yada. So we're gonna go to the next spot and just kind of stick it out there and make it work. So let's go down there and catch us a fishy. All right, spot number 2. Let's get it. You guys know this place. Big browns, big cutties. The question is will this high water affect what we're getting at? I've never fished this area with such high water. I feel like I just skip over this part and go to summer. Well, more summertime where they've let a lot of water out of the dam, but we have especially high waters this year, so let's see if we can get hooked into a fish or two. Let's go down that steep stuff. All right, let's see if we can catch a fish. Alright, to start, we're going to start out with the old countdown Rapala right here on the edge, see if we can catch one. Geez, the current's super strong. I have to try not to lose my lure. Okay, the water was flowing way too fast for that bad boy, so I think we're gonna switch to the old worm. See if we can get it done that way. We'll put on a nice hooky. I think it's like a size 6 or so, and put on some weights, get her to the bottom, and then we'll go from there. Snip off the extra there. A bunch of weights right here. I'll put on some, maybe we'll start out with 3 split shot about 18 inches up from the hook. Put a big old worm on for the greedy boys that are in the water. Oops, lost half of it, so now we're only going with half of it. Let's see. There's bouncing on the bottom right now. Oh, thought we got one, but it's just stuck in like a weed bed or something. All right, time for the magic sauce. Turbo dough powered bait. Orange glitter. Caught a monster brown on this orange power bait just a few years ago. Let's try her out. Make a nice little bally. Send her downstream. See that big old trout jump down there? I don't know if I caught it on video, but it's the same one. I'm about to go get my fly pole. Okay. The power bait did not work. Oh, the lures have not worked. The current's too fast. Worms did not work. So we're going for option 500, the fly rod. Fish are jumping out of the water, so I'm like freaking gonna get one. If it's the last thing I do, let's go. Okay, we got the fly rod and it started to rain, so I don't know if that's good news or bad news, but our fishing pole's still there, so that's good news. Let's go get it. Oh, so I went and talked to the guy that he was hauling them in over there. I was like, I have to go talk to this guy. He's just freaking pounding them. He has kind of this jig rig set up with flies. So they're just 6 feet off the bottom. So I'm gonna rig one of those up and try it out. All right, if you can see this setup, I got egg weight on the bottom and then fly. So 2 nymphs. So I think it should work quite well.